How to change the destination in Grab. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change your destination in Grab. If for any reason you need to change your destination in the middle of a trip, just enter the new destination in the Grab app and let your driver know. Your total fares will be updated and you will be rerouted to your new destination. To do this, launch the Grab app on your phone. Now look for the Change Destination option and tap on it. A prompt will appear, allowing you to input a new destination. Next, type in the new address or location. After entering the new destination, confirm your selection. Then, inform your driver that you've changed the destination to ensure they're aware of the new drop-off point. Your ride will now proceed to the updated destination. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.